Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 7th, 2025, and we're diving into Natera's third quarter financial results for 2025. Natera, a leader in cell-free DNA and precision medicine, has just released its latest earnings report. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch, to help us break down the numbers. Welcome, John.
Thank you for having me. Natera's latest report is quite intriguing, especially with the significant growth in their revenue and test volumes. I'm excited to delve into the details.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Natera reported total revenues of $592.2 million for the third quarter of 2025, marking a 34.7% increase compared to the same period last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this impressive growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by a 35.3% increase in product revenues, which reached $590.2 million. This surge is attributed to higher test volumes and improved average selling prices. Additionally, Natera's gross margin improved to 64.9%, up from 61.8% last year, thanks to operational efficiencies and better cost management.
Despite the revenue growth, Natera reported a net loss of $87.5 million. Can you explain the factors contributing to this loss?
Absolutely. The net loss is largely due to increased operating expenses, which rose by 54.9% to $482 million. This includes higher salary and compensation costs, as well as increased spending on research and development and administrative expenses. These investments are crucial for supporting Natera's expanding product offerings and innovation pipeline.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational metrics, Natera processed approximately 893,600 tests in Q3 2025, a 15.2% increase from last year. They also saw a remarkable 53.9% growth in oncology tests. How does this impact their future outlook?
The increase in test volumes, particularly in oncology, underscores Natera's strong market position and growing demand for their precision medicine solutions. This operational efficiency has also led to a positive cash flow of $26.4 million for the quarter. Moreover, Natera has raised its annual revenue guidance to a range of $2.18 billion to $2.26 billion, reflecting confidence in their growth trajectory.
That's impressive. What are the key factors contributing to this optimistic outlook?
Natera's success in advancing their product portfolio, including innovations like the expanded panel for their fetal-focused test, and positive results from their early cancer detection program, are pivotal. These advancements, coupled with strategic investments in R&D, position Natera well for sustained growth.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of -39 but Natera reported an actual EPS of 64. John, what does this discrepancy indicate?
The actual EPS falling short of the forecast by 25 cents suggests that while Natera is experiencing strong revenue growth, the increased operational expenses are impacting their bottom line more than anticipated. This highlights the challenges Natera faces in balancing growth investments with profitability.
How should investors interpret this EPS miss in the context of Natera's overall performance?
Investors should consider the broader picture. Despite the EPS miss, Natera's revenue growth and strategic advancements are strong positives. The focus should be on their long-term potential and the steps they're taking to enhance their market position, even if it means short-term profitability challenges.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Natera's third quarter results showcase significant revenue growth and strategic advancements, despite the EPS miss. Their raised revenue guidance and positive cash flow are encouraging signs for future performance. John, any final thoughts on Natera's investment prospects?
Natera's strong revenue growth and innovation in precision medicine make it a compelling long-term investment. While the EPS miss is a concern, The company's strategic direction and market leadership position them well for future success.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Natera's performance in the comments below. Until next time.